Good evening, all. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, I was getting your questions. Yes, solve this question, guys. Look at this. Today we'll be solving a couple of questions. Tomorrow you would be writing a test on straight line. So keeping that thing in mind, we are going to solve a couple of questions today. Yes, మీరు ఈ టెస్ట్ వుడ్ బి వెరీ ఈజీ యాక్చువల్లీ ద ఓన్లీ థింగ్ యూ నీడ్ టు మేక్ షూర్ ఈస్ మీరు ఏం చేయాలి అందరూ అంటే ఎక్స్క్యూజ్ మీ ఫస్ట్ యూ నీడ్ టు గో టు ద ఫార్ములాస్ ఓకే మీకున్న ఫార్ములాస్ అన్ని నేర్చుకుంటే మనం ఈజీగా చేయొచ్చు క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్ని యూ కెన్ సాల్వ్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్ యాక్చువల్లీ నౌ సాల్వ్ ద సెకండ్ వన్ హౌ కెన్ యూ సాల్వ్ ద క్వశ్చన్ 3 points P, Q and R lie on a line show that is equal to that. Here one thing we should know that P, can you see the screen here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you should know P, Q, R lie on a same line. And P అనేటువంటివి P, Q, these are lying on the same line. Lying on the same line means they are collinear. Yes or no? Collinear అంటే ఏంటిది? Collinear means what? Lying on the same line. Should lie on the same line. Now look at this here. They are collinear, right? So now I need to find out slope of PQ supposed to be equal to slope of PQ should be equal to slope of QR. Slope of PQ is equal to slope of QR. Now find the slope of PQ and QR. Tell me. Make it fast. Let's see fast. Anjali, are you here? Anjali? Hello? Anjali, good evening. Slope of PQ supposed to be equal to slope of QR. Make it fast. Done? Done. Guys, done or not? Hello? Disha finished? Hello? Abhinaya?
Sir, I think they're not equal.
They're not equal. Pravalika, what about you? Finished? Should respond. When I'm calling you, you must respond. That is absolutely your job to respond. It's not like that I'm calling you and
So they are
you,
not equal.
it's not like you should not respond in the class. Everyone should respond, please. See, slope of PQ is what? PQ. Slope of PQ, how can I solve? Y2 minus Y1 divided by X2 minus X1. What is Y2 here? My Y1 divide minus Y2 minus Y1. Y1 is what? K here. Divided by X2. X2 is what here? X1. X2 minus X1 is equal to slope of QR. So Y2 is Y2 only. Y2 minus Y1 divided by X2 minus X1. Not equal, that is not the case over here. Look at this here, this is supposed to be equal to this. That is what you have to show here. So how can I show that? Cross multiplication, y1 minus k into x2 minus x1 is equal to x1 minus h into y2 minus y1. Now simplify this. What I need here, k minus, look at it, let me take minus common here. If I take minus common, k minus y1 x2 minus x1 is equal, let me take minus common here, so h minus x1 into y2 minus y1. Look at this here, both sides I can cancel the minus. If I cancel the minus, what I remain with here now? K minus y1 into x2 minus x1 is equal to h into h minus x1 into y2 minus y1. Why they are not equal? क्या आपने क्या कर रहे हो? Look at this. Oh, look at this, guys. What you are doing, I don't understand. Here, slope of this thing I need to find out. Slope of this thing I need to find. मैंने क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन किया. दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस into this. एक आदमी बोल रहा है जो लेकिन if Disha said something and Pravalika also said something. Both are said. Both of you guys have said same thing. But that is not the case here. You understand what I'm trying to say here? Look at this. This into this आया मुझे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने के बाद. After multiplication, I got this equation. So what I need here? What I need to prove? H minus x1 into y2 minus y1. ठीक है. So h minus x1 I need, and this is equal to what? K minus y1. K minus y1. K minus y1 is nothing but what? Here I have y1 minus k I have. So if I take minus common over here, so it becomes k minus y1. This part would be as it is. Again take minus over here. This part would be as it is. Minus minus will be getting cancelled both sides. So this is what I remain with. That is what exactly is asking for to find us. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Understood? Girls need to respond. You guys need to respond. Make it fast. Hello? 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 People, are you here? Hello? Anjali, are you here? Anjali, are you here or not? I'm asking Anjali only. Anjali, are you here? She is not responding. Pravalika, understood or not?
Yes, sir, I understood.
మరి రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వడానికి ఏమైంది?
Sir, you said only Anjali.
Disha, what about you? Abhinaya, what about you? Guys, you need see here if you're not responding seriously, I never know that. మీకు అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా నాకు ఎట్లా అర్థమవుతుంది మీరు రెస్పాండ్ కాకపోతే చెప్పండి, అవునా కాదా? నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్ సాల్వ్ చేయండి అందరూ. Solve this. Write the equation of the line passes through these 2 points. What is the equation? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is the equation when a line passes through 2 points. Now, what is m here? Slope. What is m here? What is slope? When the line passes through 2 points, what is the slope of line? Y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So what is substitute here? Y2 is what here? 5 minus y1, which is nothing but 5 plus 1 divided by x2 is 3, x1 is 1. So 6 by 2, which is nothing but 3. So substitute here now y minus y1 into the minus 1 is equal to m, what I got 3, x minus x1 is what here 1. So y plus 3 is equal to 3x minus 3. So 3x, y I'm bringing this side minus y. So this 3 I'm bringing this side. So minus 6 is equal to 0. This is what the answer. Yes or no? Here he has given 2 points, this and this. So you have to find out slope of that. I got this one. So whenever a line passes through 2 points, slope of that line is what? Y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. What is the equation of a line when it passes through 2 points? This is the equation. Point slope form. This is also called as point slope form. అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా? Very good. Next question. Solve this equation now. Solve this question. Done. Find the measures of angle between the lines. What is the formula for angle between the lines? What is the angle between the lines?
Sir, it's 90 degrees.
What is the answer?
It's 90, sir.
Very good. How? Find the measures of angle between this and this. This line given. What is the M1 here? Slope 1 and what is the slope 2? Slope 1 मत दिए, line 1 है ना, line 1 का slope M1 ही होता है ना, line 2 है. What is the slope of line 2? M2. So find it out. Hello. What is M1 here? How did you solve? Disha, tell me. Disha, I'm asking you only, how did you solve? I need angle, right? मेरे पास angle चाहिए. What's the formula for angle? Tan theta is equal to modulus of M1 minus M2 divided by 1 plus what is M1 here? Minus A by B. So minus 1 by 1 now. What is M2 here? Minus 1 by minus 1. So M1 कितना मिलेगा? What is M1? अरे यार कितना simple question है. Why you are taking this much time? M1 is equal to minus 1. M2 is equal to 1. ठीक है. So tan theta is equal to find it out now. Now look at this here. Common sense. इतना करने का जरूरत नहीं है इधर. Product of their slopes is what? Minus 1, right? Yes or no? Product of their slopes. Look at this here. Minus 1 into 1. कितना मिला? Minus 1. Product of those slopes is minus 1. When it is happens when two lines are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular means is asking for angle. Perpendicular means 90 degrees. Yes or no? Yes or no? Common sense. Very good. Next question. Find the equation of the line that has y-intercept 4 and is perpendicular to this line. Line given. This is a line. What is the slope here? Look at first convert it to standard form. X line का standard form क्या होता है? ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is what? Now how can I convert 3x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0? I converted it to that form. So मुझे slope चाहिए अभी. What is the slope? Minus a by b. Slope, what is that? Minus 3 by minus 1. So 3. Here a coefficient is 3. So x coefficient is 3. Y coefficient is minus 1. So minus A. A is what here? What is A here? 3. So minus A by B formula. So 3 I got. And what he has given? Look at this here. Find the equation of the line that has y-intercept 4. Y-intercept 4 and is perpendicular to this line. Perpendicular to this line. So perpendicular to this line means देखो slope of this line. इसका slope है, what is slope? 3. This is perpendicular to which line? एक line है बेटा, this is the line. इसका slope है ना, slope of this line is what? Perpendicular to whose? This slope. Perpendicular to whose slope? Perpendicular to the slope of this line. So this 3 है, तो ये इसका line, इसका slope क्या होगा? Guys, this is 3. What is the slope of this? -1/3, no? Yes or no? Yes, okay, perpendicular to the line. Why? Because again, look at this here. Slope is this one, and slope one this one. If product of the slope will be what? -1 again if you calculate. So, what is the C value here? What is the C value? Arey yaar, look at this here. Find the equation of the line that has intercept, that has y-intercept 4 and is perpendicular to that line. So need to find out. Now you need to write in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. So I look at this here. So y is equal to mx plus c and ఎట్లా రాస్తాను? Y is equal, what is m here? -1/3 x plus, what is c here? Make it fast. What is c value? చెప్పాలి మీరు. అందుకే నేను ఏం చేయమన్నాను మిమ్మల్ని? Revise the
Sir, it's 4.
How 4?
So you gave it in the question.
It is given in the question. Look at this, which is 4. तो मुझे लाइन क्या बनेगा? This is what my line now. If you simplify also, 3y is equal to -x plus 12. So -x plus -x. This is what the answer. Clear? Next question. Solve the next question. Solve the sixth one. Find the equation of the line which makes intercept -3, 2 on the x and y axis respectively. जल्दी से बताओ. Intercept form. What is intercept form? I know that x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So x intercept कितना है? -3. So which means a value given here. Y intercept 2 given. B value given here. A value given. B value. A value -2. B value is 2. Substitute करो. X by -3 plus y by 2 is equal to 1. What is the equation? Find out करो. 2x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. Or else minus 3y plus 2x is equal to -6. If you simplify this, you get this. Any doubts? Any doubts? Any doubts? Hello? Guys, those who are not responding, I'll remove you out of the meeting. This is for sure. Those who are not responding, I simply remove you out of the meeting. Simply throw you out. That is what. You should talk. I can't see every time your messages. I don't know why Anjali is not responding. Pravalika, Abhinaya. Are they people able to understand or not? I do not know. See,
Sir, I'm understanding.
మరి ఈ మాట చెప్పడానికి ఏమైంది మరి?
సార్ ఇందాక మీ వాయిస్ బాగా బ్రేక్ అయ్యింది సార్. వినిపించలేదు.
The equation of the line, then find the slope. ఎప్పుడన్నా మీరు స్లోప్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే ఫార్ములా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. నోట్ slope of a line called ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is slope ఏంటి అంటే తెలుసా? is m is equal to minus a by b. ఓకేనా? అర్థమైందా? ఏ ఏంటి అక్కడ? ఏ ఏంటిది? వాట్ ఇస్ ఏ? కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ కదా. బి ఏంటిది? కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ వై. సో వాట్ ఇస్ ఏ హియర్? 3. What is b here? -4. What is c here? 10. Okay. So what I need? Slope I need. Slope formula ఏంటిది? minus a by b formula. Minus 3 by -4. 3 by 4 is the formula. Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir, no doubts.
Next, eighth one. Find the distance between the parallel lines. This and this. రెండు parallel lines ఉన్నాయి. రెండింటి మధ్య distance ఎంత అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. How to find out? I told you formula. What is the formula? Distance between two parallel lines is what? ఇప్పుడు మన దగ్గర రెండు లైన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. మా ax1 plus by1 plus cy1. c1 and ax2 plus by2 plus c2 is equal to 0 and this is equal to 0. If the రెండు లైన్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు నేను ఏమని చెప్పాను మీకు? What is the distance? c1 minus c2 divided by square root of a square plus b square. ఇక్కడ క్యాపిటల్ ఏ అన్నా ఒకటి, స్మాల్ అన్న రాయండి. నేను క్యాపిటల్. Make it fast. చెప్పాలా ఆన్సర్ ఎంతో చెప్పాలి, డిస్టెన్స్ ఎంత, ఇక్కడ C1 ఏంటిది, C2 ఏంటిది చెప్పాలి.
Sir, C1 7, C2 5.
What is A value?
3
B value is -4 volts.
minus 4.
So 2 divided by 9 plus 16. 2 divided by square root of 25. అంటే 2 divided by 5. అవునా కదా? This is how you need to find out. So what is the formula? Distance between two parallel lines అంటే ఈ ఫార్ములా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలమ్మా. ఇవన్నీ ఎగ్జామ్కి వస్తాయి రేపు. Not same questions. This type of questions I do not know. I'm not getting a result from you actually. You guys are not at all studying for the exam. I can say that. See here, I should not see the same kind of marks in each and every exam. I request everyone, please go through this. I request everyone, please go through this and find out a solution for each and every question. ఓకేనా? ఏది పెద్ద కష్టం ఏం లేదు అక్కడ. నేను ఏదో పెద్ద వెళ్ళి ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ఆస్కింగ్ టు గో అండ్ క్యారీ ద స్టోన్స్. I'm not asking you to go and carry the just push the bus. You can't even push the bus. I'm not asking you to carry the stones in the hill area, right? I'm not మిమ్మల్ని వెళ్ళి ఏదో రాళ్ళు ఎత్తామని చెప్పట్లేదు. వెళ్ళి చదువుకోండి, వెళ్ళి ఫార్ములాస్ నేర్చుకోండి అండ్ అప్లై ద ఎగ్జామ్ స్ట్రేట్ అవే. ఓకే, so I just exam would be on Vice app. Please find it out. And everyone, see here, every week only 2 members are writing. I should see that everyone should write as test tomorrow. Okay na? అర్థమైందా? ఓకే, ప్రవళిక,
Yes, sir.
దిశ, అంజలి, అభినయ. I don't know where is Anjali. She is in the meeting.
Okay, sir.
మరి ఏమైంది అప్పుడు నుంచి ఎందుకు రెస్పాండ్ కావట్లే? వై ఆర్ నాట్ రెస్పాండింగ్? Since the time you are
Sir,
not
did you
responding.
call me?
Abbo, I just called.
Sir, I couldn't
you.
hear.
I have been calling you multiple times, not only single time. I have been calling you for long.
Sir, I couldn't hear. I could hear the class though.
So Anjali, why you are not attempting the test every week?
What, sir?
Why you are not attempting the quiz? Last 2 weeks you didn't attempt.
I attempted last week, sir.
Before that week?
That week also I attempted. I didn't attempt like last month one quiz I didn't attempt. Other than that, I
I don't
attempted all
see-
other quiz, sir.
I don't see your result is available. So everyone should attempt tomorrow. Anjali, Disha, Abhinaya, Pravalika. I'm just
Yes,
taking
sir.
your name and just telling you that attempt the quiz. If you are not attempting, definitely I'm not gonna allow you the class. I'm gonna remove you
Yes,
from
sir.
the meeting until and unless you get a permission from your parents. I'm not gonna allow you for the class again. Please mind it. Next question. Find the equation of a straight line parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis anta, and it is passing through the point 4, -2 anta. దాని యొక్క ఈక్వేషన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. మేక్ ఇట్ ఫాస్ట్. Make it fast. Done. Find the equation of a line parallel to y-axis. ఇక్కడ ఏం లేదు, మీ కామన్ సెన్స్ ఎంత 9th స్టాండర్డ్ లో నేర్చుకున్నారు ఇదంతా. దిస్ ఈస్ వాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ లర్న్డ్ ఆల్ ది స్టఫ్ ఇన్ 9th and 10th స్టాండర్డ్. Look at this. ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్ వై యాక్సిస్ ఓకేనా చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఫైవ్ ఈక్వేషన్ స్ట్రైట్ విచ్ ఇస్ ప్యారలల్ టు వై యాక్సిస్ అంటే ఇదే కదా ఇక్కడైనా ఉండొచ్చు రెండు ప్యారలల్ టు వై యాక్సిస్ అండ్ పాసింగ్ త్రూ ద పాయింట్ 4, -2 అంటే ఎక్కడ 4, -2 it will be somewhere here అంటే I should take this side 4, -2 somewhere here అవునా కదా so now look at this here equation of the line when a line is parallel to y-axis what is the equation of the line equation of a line which is parallel to y-axis ఏంటిది x is equal ఏనా కాదా x is equal ఏనా కాదా x is equal to some constant that is the equation of a line which is parallel to y-axis look at this parallel to y-axis అంటే on parallel to y-axis on x-axis I'm making some distance x is equal to a what is the x value here 4 so what is the equation now x minus 4 is equal to 0 this is part of my equation అవునా కదా this is what my equation any doubts
No, sir, no doubt.
equation of a line which is parallel to y-axis is this one equation of a line which is parallel to x-axis this one okay na 8th 9th standard lo you might have learned next 10th question solve చేయాలి फटाफट solve చేయాలి for the answer
Sir, A I got -2.
this one and this one represent the same straight line find the values of a and b a value ఎంత ఈ రెండు represent the same line which means చూడండి 3x minus by plus 2 is equal to 0 and 9x plus so compare చేయండి just compare this x coefficient here x and is equal to minus b here
Sir, B is -1.
and constant is what 2 by a compare this so 1 by 3 here so 1 by 3 is equal to minus b by 3 minus b by or you say 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by a ఏదైనా ఒకటే కదా సో b వాల్యూ ఏమవుతుంది -9 అవుతుంది అండ్ ఏ వాల్యూ ఎంత అవుతుంది 6 అవుతుంది అవునా కదా వెరీ మై పాయింట్ క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ a into a into 1 a 2 3 are 6 that's how I got మీకు ఇక్కడ అర్థమవుతుందా ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ బి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ సి అన్నప్పుడు ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ బి అన్న ఒకటే ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ సి అన్న ఒకటే అవునా కదా Yes or no? Hello. So
Sir, isn't B value -1?
oh, sorry, my bad. -1. Very good observation. So three threes. Sorry, I thought here three. So my three cancel. Yeah, -1 only. You are right. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Yes, look at this. This is what I got. Next, 11th one. Find the distance between this and this. Distance between this and this, PQ. When PQ is parallel to y-axis. Look at this here. PQ is parallel to y-axis. This is y-axis. This is x-axis. Parallel అంటే ఇదే కదా. PQ parallel to y-axis. First PQ find out చేయండి. When PQ is parallel to x-axis, what will happen? X1 coordinate will be equal to, look at this here. Somewhere P will be somewhere x1 comma y1, Q will be somewhere here. So look at this now, x1 will be equal to x2. Whenever you have this kind of cases, ma, so here x coordinates will be equal to each other. X1 will be equal to x2 here. PQ is then x1 would be equal to x2. So what is the PQ formula? Distance between 2 points formula is what? Y2 minus or x2 minus x1 whole square. Yes or no? Here x1 is equal to x2. x1 is equal to x2 అంటే నేను ఇప్పుడు ఏం రాయొచ్చు? x2 ప్లేస్ లో x1 రాయొచ్చా? So this is what I 0 square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this will get cancelled. I'll get y2 minus y1. Distance, right? Modulus. So then answer. This is what my answer. Distance can't be negative. So look at this here. It should be plus or minus. It should be modulus. Modulus will be always positive. Modulus function is nothing but what? Modulus function will be always positive. Modulus function make all your integers, all your real numbers, whatever is all your numbers makes into positive. Modulus will be always positive. Modulus is nothing but what? Basically finding distance. Distance cannot be negative, right? So it should be always positive. For making positive, we have to keep modulus here. So this is my answer now. Any doubts? Any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
ఇక్కడ మీరు P తీసుకున్నట్టయితే this is my P point. This is Q point. And if these two are parallel to each other, when like PQ line and y-axis, PQ is parallel to y-axis, then this is x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2. If PQ is parallel to y-axis, what will happen here? X1 will be equal to x2. So this is what happens. Clear? Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir, no doubts.
Yes. Next question. Find the slope of a line which makes an angle of 30 degrees with the positive direction of y-axis measured in anti-clockwise direction. Already we have solved this type of question. You have to solve it now. ఇక్కడ మీరు చూడండి, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. He has said, he has given that positive direction of y-axis. Positive direction of y-axis is nothing but like this, in anti-clockwise direction. So making how much? 120 degrees. Not 120, 30 degrees. Yes or no? 30 degrees given. So it makes 120. Why 120? Ikkada 90 kada. First look at this. We solved already this question. This is 90 degrees. After making 90 degrees, again it makes 30 degrees. So this is 90 degrees plus this 30 degrees. Total how much theta now? So theta is equal to 120 degrees. So m is equal to tan theta. So m is equal to tan theta is what? 120 degrees. So m is equal to tan 120. 120 can be written as what? 90 plus theta. So 90 plus 30. So 90 plus 30 means second quadrant. Second quadrant tan, second quadrant function tan will be negative. So now 90 plus I'm talking about tan will be converting into cot. Cot 30. Cot 30 how much? Cot 30 how much? Minus root 3. This is what the final answer. Yes or no? Okay, you hope you understood, children. So I'll share these notes with you all. Please go through this and write well in tomorrow's exam. Perform well. All the best. Prepare well. First, go through the formulas and apply in the examination. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.